Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to upload PIV to ChatGPT. So without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Open your browser. The first step is to open your browser. I will recommend you to open Chrome browser. Step 2. Search for ChatGPT PIV. In the Chrome browser, hit the search bar and search for ChatGPT PIV. Step 3. Click on the first link. After searching, click on the first link, and it will open ChatGPT's website. Step 4. Drop or drag your file. Once the website is opened, you can drag your file, or you can browse your computer to convert your PIV to chat. Step 5. Start chatting. Congratulations, you have uploaded your file to ChatGPT, and you can start chat about this PIV. And there you have it. You have successfully uploaded your PIV to ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorial and tips. We will see you in the next video.